Hi all. Today we'll install K6. So this is one of the like nowadays most of the people are using for performance testing. This is the K6 tool. Today I'll show you how to install and how to run your first test in the K6. Just type here, open any one of your favorite browser. Just type K6 here, and the official website it will open k6.io. Just click on this link and go to documentation. Click on documentation here. Come back here, click on open source and click on documentation here. And select here, click on setup and select this option, install K6. Okay, so scroll down here. See, we are going to install on Windows platform. So if you want to try on Linux or like Mac OS, just go through these details here. So I am going to download with the installation with the Windows one. So we can use select this one, Chaco install K6, or alternately you can download MSI Windows 1 and you can install the latest file. So just click on this latest official installer here. The official latest one will be downloaded. It won't take much time because it is the almost 30 MB, so you no need to wait for longer time. I'm just going to the downloads here. Okay, just click on double click this K6 latest AMD 64 one. So in the middle it will ask for fewer permissions. Just click on yes, you no need to worry much. Just click on next here. So this is the accept the terms and condition. Just scroll down and select this checkbox and click on next. So this is where the K6 will install. Okay, so if you want to install in different folder, that's up to you. Like if you any different folder or different drive. So I'm going with the existing one, default one. Just click on next, click on installation. So it will take some time. So meanwhile I'll open command prompt once and I'll show you that like the K6 already is installed or not. Click on S. Okay, just type K6 here because see it's already in the progress. So once installation is done, we'll see this one. Yeah, click on finish. And now let me close this one and open command prompt. Now type K6 and click on enter. You'll see the K6 installed and the version here we're able to see, right? The K6, the Grafana is installed, right? Okay, so now we'll run one latest one script here. Okay, just open, go to get started here. Okay, so select this one, running K6. Okay, not running. Okay, yeah, copy this JavaScript program. Okay, and open any notepad or anything, fine, because we need to save this JavaScript file there. Okay, just click on save as. Desktop. Okay, just select as all files, test.js. okay, so we don't have here the JavaScript, that is fine, you can mention as the test.js. desktop. Okay, test.js, click on save. Okay, and now open the command prompt, k6 test dot. See, now the script is the running the test we are seeing here, right? This is how you need to run your test. So you need to place the specific folder, because here the k6 is installed, right? We are seeing Lenovo L480. There you need to place your the execution file, I mean the script file. Then you are able to see the script was executed. That's all guys, thanks for watching.